Hello friend, today we are studying the management of water quality in breeding and rearing of a fishes. Part 2, Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, NES Science College, Nanded, BSc 3rd year, paper number 14, unit number 3. Carbon dioxide. Like the other food fishes, ornamental fishes are also known to avoid a dissolved carbon dioxide content above the 5 mg per liter. However, the ornamental fishes can tolerate the high concentration of carbon dioxide content of a water. The presence of high carbon dioxide level in a water may hinder the solubility of oxygen. The carbon dioxide concentration increases the ornamental fish pond and the tank during the night and decreases during the daytime. Free carbon dioxide at a concentration more than 5 ppm is detrimental to the ornamental fishes. The temperature. The water temperature is one of the most important factors influencing the breeding, rearing, transportation, and tropical fishes. The majority of ornamental fishes tolerate the water temperature between the 21 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. 28 degrees Celsius have been found to be most suitable for the breeding of a tropical ornamental fishes. In order to maintain the optimal temperature, suitable devices have to be used. Koya is known to be a tolerate wide variety of the temperature between the 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Dark chilids require optimal temperature 26 to 27 degrees Celsius. Swordtail is very sensitive to 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. Good growth and production of dwarf graminees, Colisa, Lelia have been recorded at 26 degree to 28 degrees Celsius. Spanning of golden fish have been successful in 26 to 26 degrees Celsius. It has been found that 22 degrees Celsius is more suitable for rearing eggs and larvae of goldfish. Goby and the mollies will be seen active at a water temperature of 25 degree to 27 degrees Celsius. These are some ornamental fishes, aquarium fishes of different colors, beautiful. Nitrate. The nitrate is produced in the water through the nitrification process. The toxic ammonia. The nitric concentration above the 1 mg per liter a day impairs the health of the fish. The toxicity of nitrite increases with decreasing pH. Ornamental fishes can tolerate a nitrate level between the 50 to 100 ppm. The aquatic plant, however, utilize the accumulated nitrate in water for ornamental fish tank. Oxygen. Dissolved oxygen content of water play a crucial role in the fish culture. Fish of aquarium tank would be under a stress, would be liable for a parasitic attack or if optimum oxygen level is not maintained. The solubility of oxygen in water depends upon the temperature and also on the rate of which it kept in contact with water. Oxygen dissolves in water by the direct diffusion at the air-water interface. Further, it is also made available by the presence of aquatic plant. Oxygen level of aquarium tank can be enhanced by the contact aeration, constant aeration, circulation of water, sprinkling of water, surface aggregation, and surface agitation. Apart from enhancing the oxygen level, diverse free carbon dioxide from the solution. Temperature and solubility of oxygen are inversely related. As the temperature increases, the oxygen holding capacity of water decreases. Generally, the many species of ornamental fishes cannot be tolerate water containing less than 3 ppm dissolved oxygen. For example, golden fish show the impaired activity at less than 3 ppm oxygen level, and the oxygen level above 5 ppm advisable not only to supply oxygen need of a fish but also limiting the ammonia accumulation. Excreta of a biofiltration. Excreta of fish and unused food material often lowers the oxygen content of water in tank. When such condition arises, the water has been changed at least twice in 2 days. Otherwise, optimum survival of fish cannot be accepted. home aquaries are therefore forced to be make a alternation arrangement for a changing water in such tank. In this condition, biological filters could be used for a ornamental fish tank in help to aeration and maintain the quality of water. These are the different ornamental fishes with beautiful color. Thank you.